Where you are now might be comfortable, but where you could be is absolutely amazing. Come fix my earrings with me. Welcome to my vlog.
Qhawekazi, 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 Qhawekazi.
I wonder if this will work. Sorry about the noise. I am sitting outside, like literally sitting outside. Okay, so yeah, I put the glue, so I'm gonna put this thing for the stud. I hope this will work. This flies. I hope this will work. I hope this works. I hope this works, like for real. I hope it works. done with gluing my broken earrings together. And this glue actually works. It actually works. I found it in one of our in some boxes at home. So I figured, okay, let me just try it out, because I have earrings that I need to fix, and it actually worked. It actually worked, and yeah, it's glued together. Like, it's glued together. And you know what I did? You see, there's these earrings. Okay, I had made hooks on these earrings, but I decided to DIY and make them studs. So I just glued this studs thingy onto them, and I cannot wait to rock them. For some reason, I prefer studs earrings more than the hooks. I don't know why, but yeah, so I just did this. I don't know if, what do you prefer? Do you prefer hooks or studs? You tell me. And I had some leftover earrings that are one. I don't know where the other pieces went. So I decided to create than for me to throw them away, I decided to make them key holders. You see, just create key holders. So I just have to buy these key rings and then create key holders. So this is the original Qhawekazi key holder, but I'm gonna create these leftover pieces as key holders, because every piece counts, guys. Every piece counts. So I need to make money. Yeah, so these are brooches. Yeah, so rings, where's that ring? Oh, here's the ring. It's glued together. Wow, this is the glue to get when you want to DIY your broken pieces. So yeah, these earrings are good as new. I have to wait a few hours for these to dry, because I just did them like 30 minutes ago. Yeah, but overall I am happy with my pieces. So guys, if you're interested in any of these pieces, don't forget to follow me on my socials. Follow me on my socials, and DM me if you need any of these pieces. I do cash on delivery on clients that are in Cape Town, because I am based in Cape Town. But if you are around South Africa, anywhere around South Africa, I can post the parcel for you. There's plenty of delivery services, Aramex, Pexi, you name it. You just choose the delivery service that you want me to use, and I will definitely use it and get the pieces to you. Like I always say, guys, let's not forget to aspire to inspire before we expire. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for, guys? Can you please subscribe? Give this video a big fat thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to turn on those notification bells so that you can be notified every time I post. Bye.
Qhawekazi. Qhawekazi, 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 Qhawekazi.